Hey guys, Mr. Welts here. I'm going to show you how to do figure one here. So hopefully you have your advanced multi-view drawing components file in your folder. If you don't, go back and watch the getting started video. Um, Anyways, you want to open that up. And so this is just a design file. It has a bunch of different parts in it. And so just in case you didn't complete all the previous assignments, you can use this. Um, if you want to use your own stuff, you can, but it's pretty difficult. The biggest thing is you have to get everything into one file here for the drawings to be one drawing with multiple sheets. And if that doesn't make sense, don't worry, just use this. But I'll talk about it in class. Um, Anyways, what we got to do, go to our design tab here, and we want to change the workspace drawing from design. And it's going to want to do full assembly. All right. So um, that would make a drawing of everything. We don't want that. What we want to do is go here, click select. All right. Then we can pick what we want to make a drawing of. We just want to make a drawing of this guy here. This is figure one. Click on him. Make sure you're using your template, WPHSA. If you're not, click browse. Go up here. Find IED period 4, assignments. There's a copy in there. Hit OK, and it's going to create a new drawing for you. And there's your front view of the part. Looks like an L. You want to change this scale. One half is too small. Make it 1:1. Make sure you have visible and hidden edges shown. Okay. Click that. Hit OK. You got your first view. Then we want to make our other views. We use the projected view tool. I'm going to close my data panel. Projected view. Click there. Go up. Go to the right. Go up diagonal. Hit the check mark. Um, this looks good. The only thing that's wrong, this is not shaded. We want to shade this. Double click it. Make sure you choose shaded, not shaded with hidden edges. We don't do that in engineering. We do shaded. That's how we roll. At least how I was taught. You can do whatever you want, but for now, do it my way. All right. Okay. So we got this set up. Another thing I want to do before I forget, down here in the title block, we want to change this a little bit. So the project right now it just says the class, but really what this project is, this is the advanced multi-view drawing project, and the title we should say what's in the drawing, which is figured one. So you just double click on here, and you can see they turn blue. Double click on them, and you can edit this. So this is going to be figure one, and down here, double click it. This is going to be advanced multi-view drawing. All the other fields in here, they all fill themselves in automatically. So that should be good to go. You hit finish properties and you're back. Okay, so now we want to start dimensioning. So just remember when we do this stuff, we've got to do the overall dimensions of the part, and we've got to do the size and location of all the features. So let's talk about what features we have. So first of all, we have an L-shape extrusion, right? So we want to tell them how to make the L shape here on the front. And then from that L shape, you have two chunks taken out. You have a chunk taken out on the bottom and a chunk taken out on the top. So it's really three features, okay? So we'll go in the front view here, D for dimension. I'm going to click here on this side. So there's a difference between getting the corners and the edge. Make sure you get the edge here. Click it. It'll save you time. Sometimes you have to zoom in to get the edge. Move your mouse over there. We'll put that in there. That tells them how tall that part is. Over here, we can click there on that edge. Go up here. Tells them how wide that part is. I'm going to do the overall width of the part, which is from this corner to this corner, and then go straight up. Make sure you get this isn't aligned. We don't want that. We want a horizontal. Move your mouse to the left a little bit, and you'll see it'll snap over. Boom. This corner, excuse me. Boo. Wrong click. Escape. D for dimension. This corner to this corner. Go over here. Again, if you're not getting the right thing, it may go aligned on you. You can also right click and say vertical, and it'll force it. Anyway, so that defines the basic L shape, right? It tells you the width and height of the rectangle, and then it tells you how tall the bottom part is and how wide the top part is. So you've done that. Um, we still need to have we've got the width and the height. We still need to have the depth in here somewhere. We'll include that as we go. We'll go over here and do this right side view. And so what we want to do here is define this little cutout in the top. And we need to show the size and location. So location is always going to be like X and Y, and size is always going to be height and width, right? So we'll do the location. So location is it's on the top edge here. The location sideways would be from the corner. So I'm just going to click on this edge, click, move my mouse up till it snaps. That shows you where one corner of it is. Okay. And then I want to do size. So size is going to be from this corner to this corner. That's going to be the width. I need to show the height of it. And that's going to be from this corner down to this corner. Now, that is actually cool. That's good. So now they know how to make that shape there. The only other thing we would want to do is show them the depth of the part. We haven't dimensioned that yet. So I'm going to do this corner to this corner and put that up there. Okay, so that defines the cutout here on the top, and it also defines the depth of the part. I'm going to drag that over. I don't want those dimensions running into my isometric. Then I'm going to do my top view, and I'm going to do all I need to do here. I've already got width, height, and depth done. All I need to do is talk about size and location of this rectangular cutout. So the location is it's on the right edge and it's a little bit up from the bottom. So I'm going to do a dimension here. There it is. Wait for it. Click. So that tells me how far to go up. And then I can say how tall is it right there. Click, click, boom. So now I've got that defined. And then over here, I want to say the width. And the best way to do this one, click this corner, then this corner, and then you can bring this down like that. Now I have inadvertently created a little bit of a problem here. If I hit escape, the 1 and the 2 are a little too close together. So what we're going to do is hit escape, drag this up to get a little separation. Also, you could see here my 0.38 is stepping on my 1. So what I'm going to do is hit escape. I'm going to click on the 0.38. I'm going to drag this number so it goes up in between here. Okay. Now, as I drag that 0.38, I start to lose the alignment. We do want to keep it aligned with the 0.5. So I'm going to move my mouse up there, find that, and then come down there like that. Okay. So anyways, that way they're aligned. Anyways, this drawing looks perfect. Make sure you save your work so you don't lose it. Save early and often. It wants to call it Advanced Multiview Drawing Components Drawing, which is super redundant. I'm just going to call it Advanced Multiview Drawing. That's enough. Hit save. And we're done with that one. So go on to the second video. I'll show you how to do the next one. Good luck.